Today, we will learn how to trade in tough and crazy markets by using our best momentum scalping strategy with the best indicator. We will do a full top-down analysis as you just like it. If you are good to go, let's do this. Let's talk about today's #1 top gainer coin by far, the YOYO coin. This coin was rallying like crazy. However, this trade was a really bad one. Today you will learn how to manage bad trades and how to survive these harsh conditions. Let's start from the weekly again. So, what did I do today? Let's start from the beginning. I sorted my coins list as I teach you in the masterclass. Then the YOYO was the #1 coin already. First thing I noticed was how powerful this coin was. This coin was rallying for 3 weeks, and this mega weekly momentum imbalance was confirming the power of buyers. But something was concerning me here. This coin was already fully filled on the opposite side of the imbalance, this imbalance. This is a warning for me, a warning for price may react really soon. When I opened the daily chart, I wanted to observe the area in detail. What I noticed was the weekly imbalance was fully filled, but the daily imbalance still has a little part that was not fully filled yet. So all this data gives me confusing and unreliable information for me. Oh, by the way, if you wonder how this mega rally started from the beginning, all happened right here in the daily. With a single tap to this daily imbalance, price went crazy. Okay, as you can see with our masterclass momentum chart, you might see the little unfilled part of the daily imbalance before my trade. Now, in the momentum chart, we only tapped the 30-minute imbalance as you can see. Now at this moment, I keep debating in my brain. Shall I skip this trade or risk the money for it? Trading is so hard because you have to make critical decisions every single day. Actually, to be honest, trading is not the hard part. The hard part is making decisions. The decision stresses people so much. Okay, let's go down to the lower time frames and seek for the entry. With this 1-minute chart, this yellow point is our 30-minute imbalance tap point. So this was the area that I would be seeking an entry. As you can see, market structure breaks and gives us a very nice imbalance to enter. Now at this moment, we have everything set for a clear 2-hour setup. However, my bias and momentum charts are not fully supporting me for this trade. Now I am worried about this trade and I need to handle it dynamically. First thing I do is take my profits early and move my stop loss to break even. After this moment, let the rest of trade be. I have no idea, zero idea what will happen next. But the main question was, how much should you risk such a trade? The bias and the momentum charts are not great, to be honest. Should you risk 1% of your account for such a trade? No, you shall not. If the bias, momentum, and entry 3 layout system from our masterclass are not aligning really well, you shall not risk full. Risk like 0.5% or even 0.25% of your account. As you can see, this trade worked, but the next 10 trade may fail. We have no idea. We shall only risk our full amounts if the 3 layout system really aligns and it gives us a A++ trade setups. Okay friends, I hope that you can learn something from this video. Time to relax and have some fun. Please take care and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.